Out in the vast emptiness of space, asteroids and comets drift, remnants from the birth of our solar system. For billions of years, they followed lonely paths around the sun. Most are harmless, but some cross Earth's orbit. These are near-Earth objects, or NEOs. They're cosmic bullets, silent and fast, moving through a cosmic shooting gallery. These space rocks range from car-sized to mountain-sized, dark and nearly invisible against the blackness. Astronomers search for these charcoal-like objects, following invisible lines of gravity. Occasionally, one comes dangerously close to Earth. The threat isn't science fiction, it's real. A large enough asteroid could devastate the planet, altering climate and blocking sunlight. Even smaller ones could destroy a city, releasing more energy than any human-made weapon. For most of history, we were blind to these dangers, seeing comets as omens and shooting stars as harmless. But these are clues to a bigger story. Cosmic collisions that have shaped our past and could shape our future. Now, with modern science and technology, we can finally spot these silent drifters before they spot us. We're opening our eyes to the universe, not just as explorers, but as protectors of our only home. The question is, will we act in time? The next chapter in Earth's story could be written by one of these ancient wanderers. Our survival depends on vigilance. The silent drifters are out there, and now so are we. Earth's violent history is written in craters, evidence of countless impacts. The moon's scarred face shows what our planet has endured, though Earth's weather and tectonics erase many traces. The most famous impact, 66 million years ago, a 6-mile-wide asteroid struck near Mexico, ending the age of dinosaurs. The explosion was more powerful than all nuclear bombs combined, blocking sunlight and causing mass extinction. Over 75% of species vanished, proving the devastating power of cosmic collisions. But impacts aren't just ancient history. In 2013, a 60-foot asteroid exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, undetected until it struck. The blast shattered windows, damaged buildings, and injured over 1,500 people. A wake-up call. Thousands of similar objects remain undiscovered, especially smaller city-killer asteroids. NASA has found most of the giant dinosaur-killer NEOs, but only a fraction of the smaller threats. One could be heading our way right now, unseen. Our planet's story is shaped by impacts, and the next chapter could begin at any moment. The evidence is all around us if we choose to see it. We can't afford to ignore the warning signs. The universe has already sent us messages. It's up to us to read them and act. The clock is always ticking. If asteroids are such a threat, why haven't we found them all? Ground-based telescopes scan the night sky, but they have a major limitation. They can't look toward the sun. Imagine searching for a pebble thrown from a blinding streetlight. You'd never see it coming. The sun creates a massive blind spot, hiding asteroids that approach from the daytime sky. The Chelyabinsk asteroid came from this direction, hidden until it was too late. Weather and Earth's atmosphere further limit our view, blurring images and blocking certain light. Cloudy nights can shut down observatories for days. Even when we're looking, we might miss the most dangerous threats. To truly protect Earth, we need to get above the clouds and out of the sun's glare. We need a sentinel in space, watching 24/7 for hidden dangers. Only a space-based telescope can fill this critical gap. The most dangerous asteroids are the ones we can't see. Our current defenses are incomplete. The next step is clear. We must watch the whole sky all the time. Our survival depends on it. Enter NASA's NEO Surveyor, a space telescope built for one mission, finding dangerous asteroids and comets. Unlike Hubble or Webb, NEO Surveyor isn't for pretty pictures. It's for planetary defense. Scheduled to launch no earlier than 2028, it will travel to the Earth-Sun L1 Lagrange point, 1,000,000 miles from Earth. From this unique perch, it can scan both away from and toward the sun, covering the blind spots ground telescopes miss. Free from clouds and atmospheric blur, it will operate continuously, mapping our solar system's most dangerous residents. NEO Surveyor is a robotic sentinel, giving us the one thing we need most, time. Its advanced sensors and sunshield allow it to see what others can't. It's not looking for visible light, but for heat, infrared radiation. This is the key to finding even the darkest, most elusive asteroids. Its mission is urgent, to find threats before they find us. The technology is ready, the need is real. NEO Surveyor is our new cosmic watchtower. The search is about to get serious. NEO Surveyor's secret weapon is its ability to see in infrared, the light of heat. Everything warm emits infrared, even the darkest asteroids. Many dangerous asteroids are nearly invisible in visible light, but in infrared, they glow. NEO Surveyor's detectors are cooled to extreme temperatures, so they only see the faint heat from distant objects. This sensitivity lets it spot small dark asteroids millions of miles away. By measuring infrared light, scientists can estimate an asteroid's size, crucial for assessing danger. Knowing size means knowing the difference between a harmless fireball and a city destroyer. NEO Surveyor doesn't just find asteroids, it helps us understand which ones truly threaten us. Infrared vision is a game changer for planetary defense. It levels the playing field, revealing what was once hidden. The universe's darkest secrets are about to be exposed. With NEO Surveyor, we'll see the unseen. The hunt for killer asteroids just got a lot more effective. Our eyes in the dark are finally open. NEO Surveyor's search is relentless and systematic. Once in orbit, it will scan the sky in a methodical pattern, taking repeated images of vast regions. The key is repetition, comparing images to spot moving objects. Asteroids appear as shifting dots, while stars remain fixed. Sophisticated software flags anything that moves, revealing new asteroids. Once detected, scientists calculate the object's orbit to see if it threatens Earth. Continued observations refine its path, predicting its movement decades into the future. If an asteroid poses a risk, it's flagged for close monitoring. Other telescopes join in, confirming the threat. NEO Surveyor is the crucial first step, finding potential dangers so others can investigate. It's a cosmic game of connect the dots, but the stakes are global. The goal, predict and prevent disaster, not just react to it. With each discovery, our planetary defense grows stronger. The process is tireless, because the threat never sleeps. Finding a dangerous asteroid is only half the battle. The other half is stopping it. NEO Surveyor works hand in hand with missions like NASA's DART, which proved we can nudge an asteroid off course. DART's 2022 impact changed an asteroid's orbit, showing kinetic impactors work. But this technique only succeeds with enough warning, years or decades, not months. Early detection means a tiny nudge can make an asteroid miss Earth by millions of miles. Wait too long, and deflection becomes nearly impossible. NEO Surveyor gives us the gift of time, finding threats early so we can act. It's the scout. DART is the defender. Together, they form a true planetary defense system. Cataloging city killer asteroids lets us act before disaster strikes. Proactive defense is now possible. The tools are here. We just need to use them. Our future depends on it. The urgency for NEO Surveyor has never been greater. Ground-based surveys have found most easy targets, but the hardest, small, dark, sunward asteroids remain. To find 90% of NEOs over 140 meters, we must go to space. Every year we wait, we gamble with catastrophe. Planetary defense is like insurance. You hope never to use it, but you can't afford to go without. NEO Surveyor is that insurance, protecting everything we value. The technology is proven and ready. Delaying leaves us vulnerable to a preventable disaster. An asteroid won't wait for us to be ready. Completing this survey is a gift to future generations, a map for their safety. We're the first generation able to prevent such a disaster. It's a responsibility we can't ignore. NEO Surveyor is our best tool to meet this challenge. The time to act is now. For millennia, humanity was powerless against the cosmos. Now, we're building our first true planetary shield. NEO Surveyor marks a turning point. We're no longer passive observers, but active guardians. This mission is more than a telescope. It's a symbol of human foresight. It's the first system designed to create a global defense shield. Its data will be shared worldwide because asteroid threats know no borders. Working together, we can protect our shared home. NEO Surveyor unites us in a common cause, survival. When it launches, its quiet watch will give us peace of mind and the power to act. It's our promise to future generations. We did everything we could to keep them safe. The silent drifters will keep moving, but for the first time, we'll be watching. Our shield is rising. Our watchtower is ready. The future is in our hands. We are no longer at the mercy of the cosmos.